Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you're all doing okay. What a lovely gorgeous day out today, isn't it guys? On a Saturday afternoon. Sunshine is gorgeous. Right guys, we've got a new unboxing today guys. Got the Rlaarlo. There you go guys. We're just going to unbox it together. So we have a look what we got in here. Just a cardboard box at the moment. So we take it all out, go through everything guys, innit? Alright. Been waiting for quite a while for this truck to come. About sort of 3 months, something like that. So yeah, you tell me guys what you think about these cars. I suppose you all have had yours and that at the moment. Mine's just quite late coming at the moment, unfortunately. Waited about sort of back in February time. Let's get over it. Let's see it. Down there. Never check box set, they always come handy. Here we go guys, all we get is the Rlaarlo Omni-Terminator, I can't spell it, Omni-Terminator, something. But anyway guys, you can see what it is guys, anyway. There we go guys, Rlaarlo truck, it's a 1/10 guys. This version is not ready to run unfortunately. It's a roller one. So yeah, I've definitely got a roller one, so I can put all my electrics. So let's get her open guys, see what we got in there. I'll tell you what, the Rlaarlo do sealing well. That's one thing. Let's have a look. Put that down there. Down there. Keep with you a minute guys. Last sort of bit. That's a bit. Right, here we go guys. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Put this one down there. Right, as always guys, we'll go through the sort of basic stuff. Here we have guys, is the manual. So Rlaarlo manual. Stickers, all the tools, and the keys, wrench for the wheels. It's got, actually, because it's a roller, let's have a look. I think it's got a pinion gear in here, and what else has got in there, guys? Okay, let's get rid of all the stuff. So, Rlaarlo stickers. This is obviously when I spray all the bonnet. Put my stickers on there guys, so that's that one there. This is all the bits. This is all the bumpers, motor mount, some screws, looks like they gave me a pinion gear here. I think that goes on top of the, yeah, on top of the roof or something. I think some bits and some bumpers and so else. We'll have a look in a minute anyway. There's an arrow address bit. All your feedback, I suppose, isn't it? Yeah, so anyway, I got here. Some more bits here, guys. Some screws, servo saver. Oh, the servo, yeah, I've got that. But really, guys, basically, it's all the kit, really, guys. So, got the wheelie bar straps, so that's good. And it's got the pinion gear, got 2 pinion gears guys, 1 pinion gear for speed and 1 for like just off-road. Got 2 sizes here. I think one is a 20, I can't remember, one is about 15, 16, something like that. Anyway, that's all that. We got a wheelie bar, nice and easy to fit. We've got some battery straps. Give us a cloth or a bag or something. Bench, yeah, might come handy for my bench. That's good. Right then guys, you've been waiting for it guys. Let's get this out anyway. Need to reload. Nice, I like those clean tyres. Right guys, here she is. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll tell you what people say, this is built this is built well. I will take it out of the box a minute and get the cable ties in it, and then I cut it all open. But while you look at it, it's definitely built well. They took their time, Rlaarlo, anyway, and sort of built the truck. So get there. Box there. Okay. Right then. Bit of rubbish, but let's get rid of it. That box down there, guys. So all this in there, we'll sort out later on. Go over the truck, sort of go over the truck together, guys, a minute. Put that there. We'll go over the truck, the guys together, guys, okay? Have a good look. Right then, guys. Well, there she is, guys. This is Rlaarlo Omni-Terminator, I think that's what they call it. So it's definitely my body. I'm definitely going to respray it. I'm not sure what colour I'm going to have yet, but I might go for blue, black. I'm not really sure. But that's my my project. I will get that done. Leave it there. So yeah, so I do like it how it's built. See what you mean. The shots are very, yeah. I got some 700. I'll do these and put 700 in there. They're too springy, see, to me anyway. See what you mean, guys, about the battery tray. Ever so small. I definitely get a little small battery tray in there. A little small battery in there, but not really sure yet what sort of battery to fit in there. Receiver box, motor. Yeah, what motor I got here? Let's have a look. So this is what we're going to have, guys. We're going for the 120 amp. Definitely going to put that one in. Obviously, this Dean's. Let's wait for now. I've got the servo. Standard turbo. I think it's a 15 kilo. And I've got the one here, which is a rocket motor. That is a 26 kV. So that will probably be on 4S anyway, guys. So yeah, I got all that set up there. Got my receiver there, guys. So yeah, I've got all the electrics, guys, going in there, guys. Hoping the motor was sitting there. I've got the motor mount already. ESC there. That should be all be doing good, won't it, guys? Let's just whack it in there a minute, guys. Yeah, this sort of setup, guys. I've got the 33 kV 540 motor going in there. So that fits just right. I found one. The one before obviously didn't fit the motor mount. So that fits in there. We've got the stock Rlaarlo ESC. That's a 45, I think. So yeah, definitely 3S for now. Later on we'll change it and run it at 4S, but I think 3S will be plenty enough for now. Especially for bashing around and that, you know. Should get about 45, 50 out of it. There's the two pinion gears there. One's probably running just for bashing and the other one's for speed running. I reckon that's a 50 mile an hour plus. About 30, 40. But yeah, so that's what it's looking. I've obviously got the servo. That servo fit in there nicely. Servos are fitting down there. So yeah, take this all out, get on and get that done, and then I'll show you guys when it's all completed, guys. Okay. Anyway, hope you like my channel, guys. Like and subscribe, and comments below, guys, what you think so far. Alright, and I'll see you all very soon, guys. Have a good day. Look after yourself. Take care. Bye for now. I'm out. Take care, guys. Have a good one and look after yourself, guys. I'm out now, guys.